Use questioning as a method to learn English tenses. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Question number 181. Which tense expresses a sudden decision or offer made at the moment of speaking? A. I carry that for you. B. I am carrying that for you. C. I will carry that for you. D. I carried that for you. Correct answer, I will carry that for you. Simple future tense. Question number 182. Which tense describes a past action that has a noticeable impact on the present? A. I lost my keys, so I can't get in now. B. I lost my keys yesterday. C. I was losing my keys. D. I lose my keys. Correct answer, I lost my keys, so I can't get in now. Present perfect tense, implying current state. Question number 183. Which tense describes an action that was in progress when another, completed action occurred in the past? A. While they walked, it started to rain. B. While they were walking, it started to rain. C. While they have walked, it started to rain. D. While they walk, it starts to rain. Correct answer, while they were walking, it started to rain. Past continuous tense. Question number 184. Which tense describes an action that will be in progress throughout a specific future period? A. All next week, I prepare for the exam. B. All next week, I will prepare for the exam. C. All next week, I will be preparing for the exam. D. All next week, I am preparing for the exam. Correct answer, all next week, I will be preparing for the exam. Future continuous tense. Question number 185. Which tense describes an action that was completed before a specific past point or event? A. When I got home, my brother ate dinner. B. When I got home, my brother had eaten dinner. C. When I get home, my brother eats dinner. D. When I got home, my brother was eating dinner. Correct answer, when I got home, my brother had eaten dinner. Past perfect tense. Question number 186. Which tense describes a continuous action in the past that explains a past result or condition? A. She was tired because she gardened all morning. B. She was tired because she had been gardening all morning. C. She is tired because she gardens all morning. D. She will be tired because she will garden all morning. Correct answer, she was tired because she had been gardening all morning. Past perfect continuous tense. Question number 187. Which tense is used for routines and habits? A. I get up at 7 a.m. B. I am getting up at 7 a.m. C. I got up at 7 a.m. D. I will get up at 7 a.m. Correct answer, I get up at 7 a.m. Simple present tense. Question number 188. Which tense describes an action that is currently underway or in progress? A. The children play in the park. B. The children are playing in the park. C. The children played in the park. D. The children will play in the park. Correct answer, the children are playing in the park, present continuous tense. Question number 189. Which tense describes a completed action in the past at a specific time? A. We had dinner at 8 p.m. B. We have dinner at 8 p.m. C. We are having dinner at 8 p.m. D. We will have dinner at 8 p.m. Correct answer, we had dinner at 8 p.m., simple past tense. Question number 190. Which tense is used to express a strong prediction about the future based on current evidence? A. It looks like it will rain. B. It looks like it is going to rain. C. It looks like it rains. D. It looks like it rained. Correct answer, it looks like it is going to rain. B. Going to future. Like, share, comment and subscribe.